Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix dock not showing on Mac. So if the dock has completely disappeared from your Mac, don't panic. The problem is usually caused by hidden dock setting, an incorrect dock position, full screen mode, or temporary macOS issue. By checking a few settings, you can usually get it back without making any complicated changes. So first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here all you just need to disable the toggle light to automatically hide and show the dock if it is enabled. If the dock isn't visible yet, then check the dock position on the screen and make sure it is set to the location you want, such as bottom. You can change it from here, or you just need to click on this drop down menu right to dock position on screen, and you can change the position of dock from here. If you are using an app in full screen mode, move your cursor to the dock edge for a moment or exit the full screen mode to see if dock returns. Finally, if nothing works, restart your Mac. This refreshes the dock process and often resolve temporary display issues. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.